Welcome to the Creatio Sage 300 template demonstration video. This integration template provides you with synchronization of accounts and contacts, products, pricing, stock levels, opportunities, and order updates. If you require information about deploying the template, please see our configuration video. To begin, we will create a new account in Creatio. From the Sales homepage, we will open Accounts and click New. We will then populate this with example data, and ensuring type is Customer, and click Save. Let's open the account we just created. Under Account Sync Flag, we will select this checkbox. The Account Sync Flag will be seen by BPA platform so that it can be synchronized. By default, the ACSync flag option is unchecked to prevent accidental syncing of data. Next, we will populate the address and the contact information. Once complete, we will open the contact we just created, and under Contact Sync Flag, click the checkbox, and then click Save. We have now prepared the account and contact data we wish to synchronize to the staging database and Sage 300. We will now move over to BPA platform, and here we have our set of templated tasks. These tasks normally run on a scheduled basis, but for this demonstration, we will queue the first task, Creatio Get Accounts and Contacts. This task will copy any accounts and contacts that have been marked with the sync flag. Once complete, now let's find the synchronized account and contact in Sage 300. Firstly, we will go to AR Customers, Customers, and then click Search. We will locate the appropriate record and open it. Here we can see all the data that was entered in Creatio is now in Sage 300. A selection of various fields can be updated within the Sage or Creatio accounts and contacts that invoke an update in the respective system. We refer to this as bidirectional synchronization at field level. We can see the address details and contact details. In the Optional Fields tab, we have three fields that are used by BPA platform. These are Account Sync Flag, CRM Account ID, and CRM Contact ID. Back in Creatio, at the record we created earlier, if we refresh the page, we can now see the ERP Contact ID has been synchronized from Sage 300 to Creatio. Now if we open the account, we can see the ERP account ID is here. This allows us to see the correlation between equivalent records in both Creatio and Sage 300. We will now prepare an AR customer in Sage 300 and populate the details for the address and contact information. Moving on to the Invoicing tab, for this demonstration, we will enter the tax group details. Next, in the Optional Fields tab, we will insert a new row and name it Account Sync Flag. Set the value to Yes, and click Add, and then Save. This is now marked to be synchronized. Back in BPA platform, in Tasks, we will navigate to the Sage 300 Source From folder. We will then queue the task named Sage 300 Get AR Customers. Once complete, we will open Creatio and go to Accounts. Then locate the new record. Here we can see the AR account we just created in Sage 300 and including the ERP account ID and the contact ID. We will now demonstrate the synchronization of products. In Sage 300, Inventory Control, IC Items and Price Lists, and Items, we will now create a new product for this demonstration and populate the details. Click Add. We can then click Save. Back in BPA Platform, we can now queue the second Sage 300 task, Get IC Items. Once complete, we can open Creatio. Then we will navigate to Products, and we can see it has appeared. Back in Sage 300, we will now update the price for this product. We will open Item Pricing and locate our product. We will now populate the pricing details and enter a base price. We have added a single USA price list. However, there is no limit to the number of Sage price lists that can be synchronized. We can then click Add, then Save, and close the windows. Next, we will navigate to Inventory Control, IC Transactions, Receipts. We will then populate this window with the relevant details, and then click Post. In BPA Platform, we will now requeue the second Sage 300 task, Get IC Items. This will update the product pricing we have just entered in Sage 300 to Creatio. Once the tasks have completed, we will open Creatio and navigate to our product, and we can see the price has been updated. Both the on-hand stock and the available stock levels are synchronized from the specified Sage warehouse. In Creatio, Opportunities, let's click New. We will then populate this with our demo data, click Save, and open it. In our new opportunity, clicking the Products tab, we will attach the product we created earlier with a quantity of 1. Next, clicking Closed One, and then Save. To confirm this, we need to click Create a New Order, and then Save. We now have an opportunity with a completed order attached to it. In BPA Platform, from the Creatio Source From Task folder, we will queue the second task, Creatio Get One Opportunity Orders. When complete, we can open Creatio. In the History tab, open the order we added earlier. We can see the status of the order is now marked as In Progress by BPA Platform. In Sage 300, navigating to Order Entry, we will open OE Transactions and then click Order Entry. We will then look up the account with the associated order attached we created earlier. We will now modify this order by increasing the quantity and adding another product. Then we will click Ship All and then Post to finalize this order. Next, in BPA Platform, from the Sage 300 task folder, we can run the third task, Sage 300 Get Orders. This will download the amended order to Creatio to reflect the changes. Once the tasks have completed, we will open Creatio to see that the order has now been updated. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this template, please see the accompanying documentation and the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.